During the last few years, we have experienced an invasion of the so-called Poa Annua weed. We have a lawn service that puts down Preemergent, but it seems to be getting worse. Do you have any suggestions to get rid of Poa Annua? And this is from Ben in Virginia, in Millington. So, Mr. Tom, what do you have for us?
Well, here is the discussed weed, Poa Annua, also known as
Annual bluegrass.
annual bluegrass or annual rye. It's a pain in the South. It's the worst to me.
Yeah.
Early spring weed, summer it's crabgrass. But normally this is a problem that should be addressed by your lawn service, but if you want to do some augmentation to help it along, one of the things I found just walking around my neighborhood, that the lawns that are healthy, thick, don't have Poa Annua. Across the street where I have a couple of neighbors that do not use a weed control and they cut the grass too low.
Good point.
They have it all over the place. Now what I do, and I do have some in the backyard, but I have a different type of Bermuda in the backyard, and it's a real close, low turf type grass. I have Poa Annua there, spotty. In the front, I don't. It's a common Bermuda, and I also have zoysia. But if you don't hardly ever see weeds in zoysia grass. It grows too thick.
Because it's thick, right.
So what I do in the early spring, I dethatch my lawn by cutting it down real low. Then as time progresses, I raise a blade through the summer till at the last cutting in October, November, I got it set at the highest point, and I don't have problems because the seeds just can't get down to the dirt. But those are some things you can try. And if you have a grass catcher, cut your grass and throw away the grass. If you got the seeds there. There's no need to put it back on the ground, or definitely do not compost it.
Yeah, it just grow back like crazy. Right. But they do have a lawn service. That lawn service is putting down a Preemergent. I'm sure they're putting down the correct Preemergent.
I have to assume that.
Right. I would hope that they're doing that, but I always like to talk about cultural practices first. So again, soils that are high in nitrogen, phosphorus, right? Soils that are poorly drained or compact need to be addressed.
Yes.
Because that will help get rid of, at least cut down on that Poa Annua invasion that you have in your lawn. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.